Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and preparing both devices. Turn the Nova 7 on by holding its power button until the LED blinks. This places it in pairing mode. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the phone actively scans. Make sure the headset is charged above 20% to avoid interruptions. This prevents connection drops while firmware or negotiation occurs. Once done, keep the iPhone screen visible and the headset within about 3 feet so the devices see each other without interference. You'll now complete the actual Bluetooth pairing. On the iPhone's Bluetooth list, find and tap Arctis Nova 7. iOS will begin authentication and display a pairing request. Confirm that request. If a code appears, enter 0000. Make sure to accept microphone and media access when iOS asks so voice chat and audio work correctly. If the headset supports multiple profiles, select the one for audio and voice. After pairing, check the iPhone's audio output selector to route sound to the Nova 7. Finish by verifying functionality. Play music and make a quick call to test mic and stereo output, and tweak volume using both the headset wheel and iPhone controls. For advanced settings and firmware updates, open SteelSeries GG if you use the USB dongle with a computer. iPhone has limited device settings. If connection fails, reset the headset by holding power and Bluetooth button as instructed. Forget the device in iPhone Bluetooth and retry pairing. This clears stale profiles and usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.